It is slimmer, lighter and tougher, and chock full of AI. Samsung really wants to make more people want a foldable phone, but is the Galaxy Z Fold 6 worth $1,900? The Fold 6 does make a statement with its more refined design, and Samsung has made this device more durable to try to get more people on the foldable bandwagon. You also get a wider front display, brighter main 7.6-inch screen and Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 power. But Samsung needs to justify a $100 price hike over previous models. Is this the best foldable phone yet? I have been testing this foldable flagship, so let's get into the pros and cons in my Galaxy Z Fold 6 review. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 starts at $899, which is $100 more than the equivalent Galaxy Z Fold 5. Prices rise to $2,019 for 512GB storage and $2,259 for 1TB storage. All three variants come with 12GB of RAM. To get the most savings, see our roundup of the best Galaxy Z Fold 6 deals. Color options available this year include Silver Shadow, Pink and Navy. Craft Black and Purity White will be available exclusively from Samsung.com. It might not seem like a big deal, but the Galaxy Z Fold 6's weight is now just like a regular flagship. At 8.43 ounces, the Z Fold 6 is about the same weight as the iPhone 14 Pro Max, which I use as my daily phone. Yes, the titanium-based iPhone 15 Pro Max and Galaxy S24 Ultra are even lighter, but I can comfortably carry this foldable in my pocket. The OnePlus Open is a bit heavier and the Pixel Fold weighs at a whopping 10 ounces. It also helps that Samsung has shaved off some of the thickness. When closed, the Z Fold 6 is 0.48 inches, down from 0.53 inches on the Fold 5. The flat edge design is a bit too sharp in the corners as it can dig into your hand, but overall the Fold 6 design is refined and improved. The camera hardware is largely unchanged on the Galaxy Z Fold 6, with the exception of a new sensor for the 12MP ultra-wide camera that's designed to let in more light. Otherwise, you get the same 50MP main camera and 10MP telephoto with 3x optical zoom and 30x digital zoom that graced the Z Fold 5. Up front, you get the same 10MP selfie camera and 4MP under-display camera for when you are using the main screen. Don't get me wrong, the image quality is quite as strong from the Z Fold 6, but if you are paying this much money, you should get the same 200MP sensor as the Galaxy S24 Ultra. In this portrait comparison with the OnePlus Open, the Z Fold 6 produces a much crispier portrait. The OnePlus blows out the right side of my face in the sun and delivers less detail in my shirt. Here you can see some camera details from the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Even though we are on the 6th gen of Samsung's Foldable, the overall market is still super small, making up just 1.5% of phones sold. Will the Galaxy Z Fold 6 change people's minds? If you are someone who loves the idea of having a huge screen on the go along with lots of AI features, this could be the flagship for you. I like the lighter weight, slightly bigger front display and strong Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 performance, and the AI features can come in handy, helping you be more productive and have more fun. But that 1900 US dollar is pretty tough to swallow when Samsung hasn't made that many changes in terms of that hardware. The OnePlus Open's camera performance isn't quite as strong and it's heavier device, but it's pushing the envelope a bit more with its multitasking software and faster charging, and you get a wider front screen for $200 less. Others may want to wait to see what the new Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold has in store. For now, I would say the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is the most well-rounded foldable phone for me, but it is still very much a niche device for power users. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.